Welcome to Safar AI, your journey to better English. These are interactive videos, so you won't just watch, you'll participate. Throughout the video, you'll see questions on the screen. Make sure to answer them before moving on. These videos are designed to help you practice and check your English skills. Let's get started with the first conversation. Making plans for the weekend.
Hey Mark, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Why?
Would you like to go to the beach on Saturday? The weather will be nice.
That sounds great. What time should we go?
Let's meet at 10 a.m. so we can spend the whole day there.
Perfect. Should we bring some food?
Yes, I'll bring sandwiches and you can bring some drinks.
Good idea. I'll bring water and juice. I'm excited.
Me too. It's going to be a great day.
Now, let's move to the second conversation. Inviting a friend to the cinema.
Hey guys, there's a new action movie playing at the cinema. Would you like to watch it tonight?
I'd love to. What time is the movie?
It starts at 7 p.m. Let's meet at the cinema at 6:45.
I'm sorry, I can't. I have to finish some work. Maybe next time.
That's okay, Emma. Sarah and I can go tonight, and we can watch another movie together next weekend.
Sounds like a plan. See you at 6:45, Jake.
See you then.